Hello, hello, Mana. Hi, Vidhi. Yes, we'll still wait for 2 3 minutes for others to join. Good morning, Vidhi. We'll still wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll begin. Okay, others can join when they can join. That is okay. Okay. From the lab practical list, how many questions we have done? Let's check it once. How many questions we have done? Okay. Till 12th we have finished. So it means you have to begin with question number 13, right? Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, we can begin with question number 13. Manu, which question we have done in the last session, beta? Okay, so you also have to begin with 13. Okay, Devansh, what about you? Which question will you start now? Okay. And Aditya, what about you? Okay, Devansh, you are starting question number 12, right? Or you are done with?
So I
Okay.
am starting.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yes. Aditya is also starting. Okay, fine, no problem. Question number 12 is very easy. In question number 12, you just have to find the length of the string using the length function that you already know, and you have to print the second half of the string. So you divide the length by 2 and then you extract the second half. You can even use substring function in that if you want, or you can even use caret function in a loop to print the rest of the string. That is in question number 12. In question number 13, if you are aware of string buffer functions, no, people are doing question number 13, you can use string buffer functions. Okay, you can use reverse function to check whether the input string is palindrome or not. If a string is palindrome, it means it's reverse and the actual string both are like uh, like these are the palindromic strings. Okay, so you can use the reverse function of the string buffer and you can implement the logic, or if you are not comfortable with that, you can use the for loop and check the string in the reverse order also. Both the ways are fine. Any which way you want to do is okay. Yes, Yashank, last lab, which questions you have done in the last
Ma'am,
lab? Uh,
7th.
Okay, you have done seventh question, right? You have to start with question number 8 now.
Yes.
Okay, 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 fine. In question number 8, do you have you opened the practical list?
No, ma'am, I'm opening it.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I use string builder, but there is some problem.
Okay, yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Okay, this is spelling wrong only. You are reversing SB1, right? Okay, correct. When you are checking whether they both are equivalent. Okay. Can you try printing SB1 and SB1s after you reverse?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I've done
You have
here.
printed already. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, then it is okay. Okay. And SB and SB both you are printing. And both are in string builder only. Only SB1 is in the reverse. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Will you try converting them into strings and then comparing using dot equals?
But ma'am, how can object be converted into string?
By using toString function. So SB1 dot toString, yes,
Okay.
dot equals, yes. In that only we can do. No, no. After you convert it into reverse, no, you can convert that into string. And in the chain of the function you can call toString. Here also you can call this toString, yes.
Okay.
And same way you can compare it, yes.
But there is no function for
No, no.
this.
SB1 again, SB1 dot toString. No, no, not equals equals beta. SB1. Uh, oh, you're directly comparing S now. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes.
Yes.
And with S also. No. S dot equals.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't use double equals operator, no, for comparing strings. S is the string variable only, no. So you can call S dot equals.
But ma'am, is there any function for string equals to?
Yes, yes. That is what I'm telling. S
Okay.
dot. Yeah. S dot equals. Yes, equals. Yeah, equals is there. See. Yeah. And with sb1 dot toString. Okay, remove sb1 in the bracket and just put sb1 dot toString. sb1 dot toString. And it's still showing that.
Yes.
Okay, will you try with another input? Try AB8. Oh, how come? Why? We have inputted using next line. Okay, good. Then you are generating the string builder from it. Okay. Then you are calling the reverse method. Okay. It's correct only. Instead of but actually builder and buffer both are same, so you can use any one of the methods. Both are same only. Okay, just move on to the next program. Okay, I am going to try this the way you have done. I'm going to try it on my own, and then I'm going to see the error. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
move
ma'am.
on to the 14th question. I'll check it. Yes. Yes, Jaideep, which question you are working on today? Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. What about you, Girish? Okay, okay. Which question? Okay, okay. You can start and then tell me. Okay, yes, yes, yes. No problem. Okay, I found one issue, Vidhi. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the string buffer reverse method is is it it is returning string buffer. Means in the reverse you have used no beta, the
Yes,
reverse
ma'am.
function. No, it is returning string buffer itself. So the output, the corrected, the reversed output, you have to store it in string buffer object. You haven't stored the updated string actually.
Ma'am, but in string buffer, we just use function and it will be
Ah,
changed
yes, yes, that is in string.
without storing.
Yeah, yeah. In string builder, your string builder is actually reverting this string builder's object itself. The reverse function in string builder is returning something of type string builder, meaning the reverted string of type string buffer only. String builder
Okay.
object. Put it in string builder's object.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you, whatever is the object, suppose it is SP1, no? Then SP1 equals to SB1 dot reverse. You have to store it in SB1 and then you can use it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. You try it. Now, is it done? Did you try?
Yes, ma'am, tried, but still not working.
Okay. Can you share your screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
You are storing it in your SD. Okay. And then you are comparing with. Yes, yes, yes. Please come. No, please come. I thought it's lab number 6, so I came here. Then when you told me, then I realized, okay, it's in lab number 2. Only you two are there? Oh, okay, okay, good. What is your name? Vaishal. Yes, yes, yes. Sit, sit, sit. You have your devices, right? Yes, yes, you can start in that, no problem. What happened? It's easy. Yes, yes, it's easy. 1 minute. Ah, Vidhi, I'm checking.
Yes, ma'am.
BCD is not palindrome. Okay. Still, why it is? Wait.
Ma'am, it will only happen when it is checking for the memory, I guess.
But it is in my see. I'll share my screen. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. What I was telling is here you convert it into two string and then you compare with S. Because SB is not a string. In order to compare string builder with string, you need to convert your string builder to string and then use this. I was twisting, I was putting this string builder here. Okay. And now it is running fine. Wait, I added one more here. Yes. Oh no, yes. So string and then see. Right. You are counting SB with S. You convert string or builder to string first and then you compare. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manav, are you done with the 12th question or you are still doing it? Manav?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Tushar, what about you? Which question you are working on? Tushar?
Ma'am,
Girish?
now it's working.
Working, no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Girish, which question you are working on? Okay. Once it is done, you let me know, okay? Uh, okay, no problem, Tushar. When your laptop will be back from service? Oh, okay, fine.
I'm actually battery drained, so I need to go for it for
Okay,
the
okay, okay.
service.
Okay, no problem. Yes, no problem. Yeah. Smriti, from which question you will start? Yes, Devansh, are you done with question?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done with question number 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can show it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, yes, Devansh. Let me see. Oh, good. Yes, yes, yes. And you are doing the substring, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But what is the error?
Ma'am, error is in practical number 13.
Okay, okay, not in 12, right?
Yes,
13, so
ma'am.
what is the error? Show me now.
Ma'am, I am just trying to do
Mm-hmm.
yeah, just using for loop,
Uh-huh. Okay. Palindrome.
reversing the thing,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
and then I will check.
Okay, okay. You created a reverse string empty and now you're going to store the reverse string in this variable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will check. Okay, okay. No
Yes.
problem. No problem. Yes, yes, yes. Riddhi, what about you? Which question you're working on? Okay, once you're done with 11th question, you show it to me, okay? Yes. Syllabus of this will be unit number 1, 2, and 3. It's in the website, university's website itself. Hmm. University website itself, you can find the syllabus. Oh, yes, yes, Manav, can you show it to me? Yes, yes. Yes, I can see your screen. Length of the string is this, hence our string. So many divided by 2. Correct. Done, done, done. Good, good. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, programs should be asked. Yeah. For writing the vectors is not there, right? That is what it is. Yes, no, I cannot even do it. Since 2 years, I want to copy between the one year. So we have not written finish, so from the notebook. And the another problem is my handwriting is already right. Because they have accepted writing so much, but they don't have to problem since childhood, the problem there. Like, no teacher will complete anything about me. But my mom will be going to PDA and the teacher will be saying, no, your daughter is absolutely perfect, but her handwriting is very slow.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in 14th program, I'm getting infinite loop.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have done. Oh, okay, okay, yes. The way we compare string is with not with this operator. We always compare with dot equals to function.
Ma'am, but if not equal to, then which function?
Then equals and negation in front of it. Getting it?
Ma'am, that is I've done.
No, 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 no. Dot equals function. See,
Okay.
this is used for comparing primitive integer and float and everything, right? Not for string.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So here you can, after two lowercase, no, you can call one more function, dot equals, okay?
Okay.
Yes. And then in front of the expression, no, keep the negation, the not symbol in front of the complete expression.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's done.
Done, no? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, Vidhi, now you are done with all the 14 questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give you two, three more questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Extra questions. I have good questions. I'll post here itself, okay, in
Oh,
the chat.
ma'am, I even had doubt in the question that you gave on that day, which was from Code Chef.
Yes, which question? Beta?
Mangoes and snakes question.
Oh, yes, mongoose and snakes. Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
I've done it. I'll share my screen.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, there is out of bound error.
Okay. Okay, you are checking. Going out of bound on line number 24. Okay. N is the length of the string, right? Good, okay. Whenever it is going from 0 to this, okay, you are comparing. Mm, okay, J might be the problem here. Meaning you are incrementing J with A plus 1 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So here in the condition, you also keep one condition for J also. In the for loop, yes, along with I, you keep one condition for J also. Otherwise, it is going bound for J, not for I.
Inside this.
No, inside the for loop, I less than n you have written, no? In the
Yes,
for
ma'am.
yes, yes. Along with that only, you add one more, and then condition or something. No, no, not there. In the for loop itself.
Okay, here.
Yes, yes, yes. You can use end in condition and you can fix the value of j also. Yeah. What would be the last value of j? Less than n only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Less than n. Yeah. Yes, yes. And where you have declared j, you have not initialized it, no? So it is showing you the error.
Okay.
Some initial, yeah. Good. Still, it is showing j, line number 24. K will be in decrement, okay. So if it is going in increment, then either it is I or either it is J. Because you are incrementing I and you are also incrementing J. Okay, now I is non-zero, non-not equals to minus 1. We are incrementing J with I plus 1. Okay. This is for the in between, not the boundary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
That's why I excluded 0 and n minus 1.
Yes. We are incrementing J. So in the first case itself, first case 0 it will not work, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
that's incremented, no one at that time it will go inside. But again for one, the string, no, no, for one, it will n minus one length is 3 good yes. So for one it is going in. J it is incrementing with I plus one, it is J is 2 now, okay. J is 2 and K is 0. It is comparing 1 is it n and 0 is 2 it is also. But then when I comes with 2, at that time it comes. The condition is true for 2 also.
Where, ma'am?
Hmm? Yes, yes.
Where shall I give the condition?
No. I'm just try running it.
Okay.
Okay. Can you share this program in the email with me or somewhere? I'll try
Yeah,
run
sure.
it using pen and paper and nothing you can check what is the problem here.
Shall I share it in the chat box?
Yes, it is okay. Yeah. I'll check the question. Yes, I got it. I'll try run it. And then
Ma'am, until that, you give me those other questions.
yes. Okay, yes. Uh, okay, I have a few serious questions. Let's see if I can look at this one. But it is x raised to, here I cannot put x raised to. It is x raised to 1 minus x raised to 2. Getting it? Raised to 5 in the first series.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, I'll mail you because I guess there is some limit in the chat box.
Oh, yes, for the text, right? Yeah, I
Yes, ma'am.
tried finding the rest of the question. It is not there. Smithing, which question you are doing better? Thank you. This is also a good question. Wait, I will share one more question. Okay, you do the first one first and then you can move on to the second one. Smriti, which question you are doing better? Then, no. Good. Especially, what about you? Yes, please. You are not doing 11. Then, okay, fine. Ha. Smriti, yeah, question number 12 you are doing no now? Smriti, question number 12. Uh-huh. As one character. Space is not for a Right click in the run file. Right click. Done. Yes, yes. No, it is just suggestion. Yes, you can replace it. Yeah, any age can be done with this. Of course. Yes, Devant. Okay, what happened? Oh, you have done 12 and 13 both. Girish, good. Good, good, good. Then you do the last question, 14th, and then you can work on the questions that I have given here in the chat box. Girish?
मैम मैं क्लास से बाहर चला गया था तो मेरे चैट बॉक्स में से क्वेश्चन ही हट गया तो मैम एक बार आप पेस्ट कर दोगे क्या?
हाँ. Of course, of course. I'll paste the first question. Yeah. Now can you see the question?
यस मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Yes. No problem. I have one more good question. This is you can submit in HackerRank itself. Wait. I'm pasting one more question here, okay? It's a good question. Anagram's question is a good question for strings. Yes, Aditya, which question you are working on? Aditya?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम ये इधर x इक्वल्स टू 2 ये x की वैल्यू रखनी है क्या सब में, इस सीरीज वाले में s इक्वल्स टू में?
Yes. Or you can even input the value from user. But here it is x raised to 1, huh? It is not raised to, cannot be, mentioned here in the chat box.
अच्छा मैम, x टू द पावर 1, x टू द पावर 2, x टू द पावर 3 ऐसे मैम ये सीरीज है.
Correct. Yes.
ओके मैम. और मैम x हम हमारे मन से कुछ भी ले सकते हैं कि
Yes,
अभी 2 के साथ करके देना है आपको?
Any which way it is okay.
ओके मैम.
Oh, ma'am, first part is done.
Oh, good. This raised to Allah, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Yes, yes. You can finish the second one and I'll see both of them together. Good one. Second is also a good series. Just with string also you can.
Ma'am, I had doubt in first that we have to print summation or series also.
No, no, no need to print the series. Just the answer of that series. That's all.
Okay.
Yes, you can use. Yeah.
Oh, ma'am, can you explain the second part?
Okay. It's just a series only. The second part of the same question, right? Series question, no?
Ma'am, but there are some condition
What? Okay,
in
incorrect
ISB.
option. That
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
So in the switch case, the default case you mentioned it is not a correct option. That's all. It's a switch case program, no menu driven program.
But below you have mentioned some condition that first 9 digits of the ISBN number.
Oh, that is the ISBN question you are doing.
No, I thought they both are the same one.
No, 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 no. See that question number two, no, display the following series is done over there, beta. After that,
Okay,
ISBN is another question, beta.
okay,
To
okay,
check
ma'am.
whether the input number is a book number or not is another question. Are you done with the 12th question, Beta? Done with the 12th question. Vaishali, which question you are doing now? Yes, Girish, are you done with that question? The series question? गिरीश?
यस मैम, हो ही गया लगभग, बस 2-3 लाइन का कोड और बचा और हो गया मैम।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, show it to me once it is done, okay?
Ma'am, done.
Done? Oh wow, can you share
I
it?
can see, yes.
Yes. Okay. You have? Oh, okay, okay. In another pattern you have. Oh, okay, good, good, good. Got it, got it. And in the first you have done you are running, and you converting into integer. Okay. Now in the first sequence, no, beta, you see
Yes, ma'am.
the even numbers are subtracted and odd numbers are added. When the index,
Okay.
yeah, just
I
keep
didn't see that.
no problem. Just keep two if conditions or something, and then you can do right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just with the help of I only, you can check it even and odd. Good, good. Yes, Manu, which question you are working on right now? Okay, okay, fine, fine, no problem. We'll come in a minute.
Ma'am,
Done? Yes, yes. Yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
also done, ma'am.
Oh, good, good, good. Oh, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, good, good. Oh, Devansh, you also done. Yes, yes, Vidhi, I'll explain it to you. 1 minute.
Ma'am, screen share हो गई?
Yes, yes, I can see your screen.
Ma'am, this is the code, ma'am.
Okay. So you have checked for I. Otherwise, it is sum minus, otherwise, it is sum plus, and you are printing the sum. In the next question, you are simply printing using. Okay, done. Good, good.
सही है, ma'am?
Yes, 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 done, done, done.
Ma'am, run करूं?
No, 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 done, done. I got it.
ठीक है, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Devansh, can you share your screen?
और इससे मैं जीत जाता आराम से.
Yes, yes. Yes, I am able to see your screen. Okay, you have printed the second series. Oh, good. Oh, it is a different logic. Good one. Nice. Good, good, Devansh. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, regarding the ISBN question, what you need to do, you need to input a number and check whether the input number is ISBN number or not. Okay. Now it is written that the uh, okay, the first 9 digit, it's a 10-digit number initially. Okay, and the first 9-digit number, they represent certain things. To check whether it is a valid number or not, what you need to do is, and I'll give you an example over there. I have not pasted the example. With the example, you can understand it in a better way. Yes, yes, yes. What we need to do is we need to, I'll give you the, okay, yeah, here is the example. Yes, yes, yes. ISBN number. So if the number is input by user, okay, and the number is in such an input, in such a format, you need to uh, decrement the so it is a 10-digit number, right? So you need to actually decrement your the loop control variable. You can start with I equals to 10, and you need to decrement till 1, and multiply each of the digits according to like this. See, if it is the first number is 1, no, then you multiply 10 with 1, then plus 2 with decrement of 10 is 9. So decrement 10 by 1 with 9. Like that you go on till 1. Now whatever is the resultant of that, what is the resultant of that summation, you need to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. If it is divisible by 11, then that number is an ISBN number. And this is valid for all the ISBN numbers that you are using. ISBN, whatever book you are issuing, no, in that the number is always mentioned, and that number will be always the summation of this equation, and the summation of it will be always divisible by 11. You can even verify it with any book number. Okay, this is how you can check whether the input is ISBN number or not. Okay, are you getting the gist from the example?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but how can we convert string into integer?
And the wrapper function parsing, we have seen it in the wrapper classes class. Parsing function, integer dot parsing.
Yes, ma'am.
This is that function, yeah. You write it. Uh, Parsing, then whatever string you pass, that can be converted to integer. Which question you are doing now? Which one? 14. Okay. Yes. And this is the last question. No? Till then only we have done. Then we can do extra questions that I have given. Three. Putting the thing. What? In this online session, I have given one question, series question. Repeat. Try to perform that. Join the session and check the question. It's a good question. Okay, wait. I'll paste the question again. Here is the question. Now, can you see the question?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm getting one error in that question.
Yeah, you can share your screen. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, I'm able to see. Uh, oh, okay, okay. I get it now. See, you the string is stored in S, no beta.
Yes.
So here you have to. Okay, but you are taking into character. Oh, okay. Okay, now see the problem here. The character that you are taking, no beta, it is going to take the ASCII value of it, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So to convert that to integer value, we have character classes method, not integer classes method. Okay, that is correct. Okay, you have converted into character. Okay, but now,
Ma'am, but it won't take the specific character and will convert it into integer.
yes, yes, it will take only. But see, the parseInt method here that you are using, it is only for converting string to integer, not character.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and for character, when you type cast, it is not going to be, if you typecast, it is going to be the ASCII value of that. No. Okay, so I'm going to help you. See, integer.parseInt can only convert any string to integer. Okay, that we know.
Yes, ma'am.
We are able to convert this character. Okay, your character C. Okay, whatever is the name of the character, if you are able to convert that to string, and then you are able to convert that to, you open the chat box button, go to the, yes, now open the chat box. See, the parseInt function is only able to convert integer, string to integer, okay. But now if you want to extract the character and convert the character to the numeric value of it without taking the ASCII value of that character, okay, then
Yes, ma'am.
we first convert character to to string, and then we use parseInt to convert itself to integer. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So this character I am taking in the bracket of string dot value of is nothing but a character C. I'm converting that to string first, and then I'm using the parseInt method to convert that string character into integer. Getting it into user.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you try that method.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Girish, you are done. Good. Can you share your screen? Yes, yes. Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so what we have done, you have converted that into two char array. Okay, now you are taking the integer value of that. Wouldn't it take the ASCII value? That is what I'm worried. If you see, if Girish, wouldn't it take the ASCII value, beta?
No, ma'am.
See, if you are converting a char to int, wouldn't that be the ASCII value? The reason I'm telling is, see, in the question, if you see, the summation's output is 209, okay? And
Yes,
your
ma'am.
summation is printing as, 2849.
2849, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes. Because you are converting your character to integer, no? On line number 14. It is
Yes, ma'am.
converting the ASCII, it is taking the ASCII value of it. Okay. Every
Okay, ma'am.
yes, even if it is a number, it is going to have its another ASCII value, no, which is not 0 or 9 or whatever is the number, right? So now you see the chat box. I have given one method for converting character to integer without using its ASCII value. Okay. See,
Okay, ma'am.
I've given a method over here. You convert this character to string first, and then you can use parseInt to convert string to integer.
Okay, ma'am. Now I got it, ma'am.
Yes, 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 you try, yeah. Assignment number 3, I'm going to grade now. Do I have done? Do you have not received? I have checked actually, but I'll check it once again. Yeah. Yeah? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Mano, yes, 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 yes. I'll check it, but don't worry. I'll see if it is left or what. We will not get to see many like faces, unique faces in the class because from birthday there will be ambition. Yeah. Yes, everybody is going to come for examination. Yes, but I don't know what they will do with the outer state students. Yeah. They're staying outside they all will come, no? No, no, they will there on the road. Outer state students will be there. It was not willing to come. Oh, okay, okay.
Ma'am, now it's done.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes. Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you converted character to string and then you are multiplying. Now your loop is running in decrement till 1 only it will run. So good, you are multiplying that with I and you are incrementing just for passing the characters. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct. Nice, nice. Will you try that question? I told you the hacker rank question. Submit there only. Anagrams.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm testing it again. So it's a good question. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. What are because the next semester came, so extended the deadline. 25th I extended, so don't worry. I'll come up.
Excuse me, ma'am. हेलो मैम, हेलो। हेलो मैम।
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 I'm here only. Yes, yes, tell me. Yeah, yeah. Somebody was saying something. I went to fill my bottle. Hello?
मैम,
Yes, yes, yes.
मैम मेरा कोड नहीं चल रहा।
Oh, okay, share your screen.
मैम मतलब 209 नहीं आ रहा है मैम, मतलब जो आना चाहिए था वो नहीं आ रहा है।
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, share your screen. Yeah.
मैम स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
Yes, yes, I can see your screen. Yeah. Okay. Actually, the problem is I can see hazy, hazy only. Okay, yes, yes, now I can see. Okay, you are converting. Okay, you have used caret function. Okay, good. Sum equals to sum plus you are multiplying it with length. Length is the length of the string, which is 10, and then you are decrementing length. Okay, okay, okay. Can you run? Let me check the sum value.
सॉरी सॉरी।
90679. Yeah. Oh,
मैम
you
2849 ही दिखा रहा है वापस।
yes, yes, yes. I got it. Okay, let me see. String dot value of 10. Temp is initially 0. Then you are storing. Oh, temp should be of type character automatically. Dekho, line number 13, right, Girish? You have
यस मैम।
used a temp as a type of integer, no? Then automatically, whatever is the character's value, its ASCII value is going in temp, no?
अच्छा मैम, अब समझ में आ गया। हाँ
So temp should be of type character only. Then it is going to convert into string and then to integer. That is the only.
अच्छा मैम।
Yes. It should be of type character. Yes, yes, yes. Then you can run it and check.
आप रन करके देखिए।
Oh, you are writing it not in the correct place.
ओह सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी
Yes, yes, yes.
मैम, आई गॉट कैरीड अवे मैम।
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
मैम
Yes,
आ गया।
got it. Got it. Good, good, good. Done, done, done. Done. Now don't do anything. That's it.
ओके मैम।
If you have time,
Bye,
if you have energy, you can check this question. Anagram question you can check.
यस मैम, एनाग्राम वाला करके देता हूँ मैम अभी।
Okay. If you are free, you can do it. No problem. It's a good question.
Ma'am, can you show how can we sort the string?
How do you want to? Can you repeat the question?
How can we sort the string?
Okay. For sorting, you can use in that question anagram it is asked.
Yeah.
Okay. For any array, you can sort it like this. Arrays is actually a class.
Ma'am, but it is a string. We need to sort the string.
If it is a string, no, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
convert it into character array, and then you can sort the character array, and you can convert it back to string.
Okay.
Getting it? An array it is in I think it's in util package. So you need to import the util package to use this. Arrays is an inbuilt class. It's having good functionality of arrays. You can sort it, you can search, you can index, good all the functionalities of array that that those functions are predefined in arrays class. It is a predefined class only. You can use that class.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Tushar.
Ma'am, there is not a pointers concept in Java, no.
Uh-huh.
So why how we can use how we can use the referencing point of view, like how we can use, like if we want to
Mm-hmm.
traverse something, and we use in linked list, like we use pointers in linked list or something, how we can do that referencing kind of a thing without an pointers in Java.
Because you can create you can create reference using class name. See, the object that you are creating is nothing but the reference. Do you know reference variable? We have seen it. Reference variable and object, right? Do you remember that? So you see the reference variable. You can always, whenever you are using linked list, also we'll see in the programmation, in the programming part when we'll do the linked list. Okay, definitely you can create nodes in that. You can make it point. Next will be just a variable. Okay, the next location that you're pointing is going to be a classes object only. So all the reference that you can create using, if you are using the linked list class, okay, then whatever reference you are creating for that is nothing going to be pointer only. Pointers are abstract in Java. They are not used because they are abstract to you. But you can definitely refer anything using reference. And reference means nothing but like this only. If you have class A, then you can create a reference, a reference. Same way you will create the linked list reference also. Okay, we'll create a node for this, and this node is nothing but it is going to have variables inside it. Like next is going to be a simple variable of linked list class, right? And next is going to acquire again the next this is going to point again to the next node only. So it is there, but it is abstract to us. It is not shown to us in use of pointers only, but you can use reference variable instead of
So
pointers.
ma'am, objects can be used for traversing in an array
Yes,
or anything list or something, anything.
yes. Even in linked list, you are going to use that only, right?
No, ma'am. When there is not a pointers, then
Uh-huh.
there is a lot of problem in solving DP questions. So
Mm-hmm.
I just asked.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Meaning
That's
what
why,
kind of questions you are telling me?
like backtracking questions and all.
Uh-huh.
Then there
Okay.
comes a problem. No, without a pointer, if I want to traverse it back and through, if I want to see something.
You can obviously do that using the class reference only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
You
ma'am.
can do the same thing using class reference. So you have see for this. How should I explain it to you now? But whenever you are going to create the linked list class, whenever you want to backtrack or whenever you want to use this, you are going to definitely create the object of node class itself. Okay, you are going to create the reference of node class itself, and node class is going to have two different things, just like you have done it in C and C++ also. I don't know whether you've done it or not. It is going to acquire the value or the data that you want to add into it, and along with that one more variable you will get, which is of type node only, which is the next node pointing towards the next node.
Yes, ma'am. Linked
Yes,
list it's a
yes.
linked list concept.
Yes, exactly. And whenever you are going to use this next is nothing but a reference of class node only, right? So you can
Yes, ma'am.
definitely create one more node using this next only, right? So next is nothing but a reference variable of type node. So that is nothing but a pointer to the memory of node class. One more object of node class, a pointer to it, it is next. But we don't name it as pointers here. We name it as the reference variable. Getting it?
But it
Hmm.
becomes so hectic to type it again and again in Java. It becomes so
Meaning?
much to type.
Oh, it is.
Like in
Oh,
Java,
in like in rest.
unlike in C++.
Okay. Why you have to type so much? It is not like that. Java
मैम
is
जावा में
very.
क्लास हर जगह क्लास ही आ जाता है। सी प्लस प्लस में वॉइड फंक्शंस कर लिया,
Uh-huh.
बहुत फास्ट चलता है, बहुत प्री प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड बहुत फास्ट हो जाता है ना।
Yes, yes, yes. See, the thing is that
I'm not comfortable with Java, at least to be honest. I'm not comfortable with Java.
it is actually a strict OOP language. C++ was a not strict OOP language, right? Java is a strict, you can say, fully developed OOP language. So it cannot survive without classes for sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, exactly.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
will we study the vector concepts in Java?
Vectors, I think in the collections part, you might have that in your syllabus. If it is there, then obviously it is going to be there. In the collections unit, you have vectors, I guess. Yes, yes, yes. You will be studying vectors for sure. You
Okay.
have linked list. You have list also. Yeah, and then you have also linked list, and you also have vector. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, if you have questions, then you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I have marked you present already.
मैम BD11।
Nipin, you came? You were not there
यस मैम,
initially?
मैं तो कब से हूँ मैम, मैं पहले नहीं था, लेट ज्वाइन किया था मैंने।
अच्छा. Yes, Manav, you are marked as present. You can leave the session, no problem. Jaideep, you also. Riddhi, you also. Aditya, you also. You are marked as present. Yes, Girish, you also can leave the session, no problem. Yeah. I have marked you present. Beta. Yes, Priti, you can leave the session. Bago.